Morning everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing you guys what we're doing today on a job. This is a tennis wash clean. This tennis court hasn't been cleaned for 20 years. It'll be a three-stage process. You're going to soft wash the actual tennis court first, get some agents down there doing your thing. Then it will actually be pressure cleaned. And then we're going to soft wash it again with a final mix of a bit of SH and EBC in there. Just to help break everything down and come up with the best possible finish. Wait till you see the results. We're running Tim back here again on completion of this job. Just before we get stuck into it, the results speak for themselves. Absolutely fantastic, considering we had 20 years of built up grime. As I said before, this is a three-stage clean just due to the condition and the staining from obviously all the trees up above us. We soft washed it first, use a soft wash machine, come through with high pressure rotary floor cleaners, and then went through and soft washed it again just to get those final blemishes out of the ground, the staining and everything on the concrete. Client's extremely happy. If you want us to come and do a quote for you, if you've got any questions, give us a call. High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast.